Hi friends, let's talk about digestive system. The digestive system. The digestive system is also known as the gastrointestinal system. This system fulfills two of the basic and essential requirements for being alive, which are the food intake and waste elimination. In this video, we will be discussing the functions of the digestive system, the connection with the immune system, the components and accessory organs that make it up, as well as the process of digestion. The components of the digestive system are classified by two major functions. These functions are the absorption of nutrients and the elimination of waste. The absorption of nutrients is accomplished by the villi and delivered to the body by the circulatory system. Is to eliminate byproducts of the food that the organism does not need, or this is known as a waste. This complex system is also the location where 70% of the immune system resides. The health of the human organism is dependent upon the complex and diversified microbacteria found in the gut. How does the digestive system works? Across the whole planet, humans eat on average between 1 to 2.7 kilograms of food a day. That's over 365 kilograms a year per person and more than 28,800 kilograms over a course of a lifetime. And every left scrap makes its way through the digestive system, which is comprised of 10 organs covering 9 meters and containing over 20 specialized cells. This is one of the most diverse and complicated systems in the human body. Its parts continuously work in unison to fulfill a singular task, transforming raw materials of your food into the nutrients and energy that keep you alive. Spanning the entire length of your torso, the digestive system has four main components. First, there's the gastrointestinal tract, a twisting channel that transports your food and has an internal surface area of between 30 and 40 square meters, enough to cover a badminton court. Second, there's the pancreas, gallbladder, and liver, a trio of organs to break down food using an array of special juices. Third, the body's enzyme, hormones, nerves, and blood all work together to break down food, modulate the digestive process, and deliver its final products. Finally, there's the mesentery, a large stretch of tissue that supports and positions all your digestive organs in the abdomen, enabling them to do their jobs. The digestive process begins before food even hits your tongue. Anticipating a tasty morsel, glands in your mouth start to pump out saliva. We produce about 1.5 liters of this liquid each day. Once inside your mouth, chewing combines with the slushing saliva to turn food into a moist slump called the bolus. Enzymes present in the saliva break down any starch. Then your food finds itself at the rim of a 25 centimeter long tube called the esophagus, down which it must plunge to reach the stomach. Nerves in the surrounding esophageal tissue sense the bolus presence and trigger peristalsis, a series of defined muscular contractions that propels the food into the stomach, where it's left at the mercy of the muscular stomach walls, which pound the bolus, breaking it into chunks. Hormones secreted by cells in the lining trigger the release of acids and enzyme-rich juices from the stomach wall that start to dissolve the food and break down its proteins. These hormones also alert the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder to produce digestive juices and transfer bile, a yellowish green liquid that digests fat in preparation for the next stage. After 3 hours inside the stomach, the one shapely bolus is now a frothy liquid called chyme, and it's ready to mourn into the first portion of the small intestine called the duodenum. Here, it dissolves the fat floating in the slurry of chyme so they can be easily digested by the pancreatic and intestinal juices that have leached onto the skin. These enzyme-rich juices break the fat molecules down into fatty acids and glycerol for easier absorption into the body. The enzyme also carry out the final deconstruction of proteins into amino acids and carbohydrates into glucose. This happens into the small intestine lower regions, the jejunum and ileum. This is Irene Aguillon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.